So I'm cleaning up the oxidation off the brass on my Coach Legacy bag. If you could see the green on there, that's what I'm going to clean off. Sometimes these old bags from the early 2000s get lots of oxidation, especially if you live in humid areas. So I'm just going to show you how I clean it off, and it's fairly easy. So here we go. Have to be kind of careful and just kind of scoop the green off from around the brass. Kind of flakes off a little. You can see this is just a clean that's the green oxidation. So I'm just gonna take some Weanol and polish up the brass there, and then do a leather cleaner, and that should help. And you'll periodically have to do this again. So just in these areas, you just need a little bit, and try not to put it on the leather. And then I'm going to come in right behind and clean it with some leather cleaner. You see the dirt coming off of there? And just going to clean it up. So there, that's the process. And a lot of times these bags will get the oxidation around these big areas as well. These are a little easier to clean because they're bigger. So that's the gist. Thanks for watching.